Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. You're here with the cryptolifer. Thank you so much for sharing your beautiful Saturday morning with me. Let's bring that music down and let's pick up where we left off last night. You remember, if you were watching last night, we were talking about Bitcoin being in this rising wedge, which to me technically did break down. Bearish retest and fell to the downside of this rising wedge. You could try to complete it inside of a bigger channel, and I'm okay with that too as well. So here you go. Bigger channel. Do we bounce to the upside? The 1 hour suggests that we do. Last night, the 1 hour was low here, just extended up and came back down again and stayed inside this flag, held above the level. Let's take a look here. 19,990, I keep saying, resistance, resistance, resistance. If we stay above 19,900, 19,900, no, I said 19,900. If we stay above 19,900, it's a significant area. Why? Look, there's a POC there, which is the VRVP high volume node where the most buying and selling has occurred. That's what's called the point of control. That's why it's the point of control. The most buying and selling has occurred there. It's the point of control. Okay? So we want to stay above this point of control. If we lose the point of control, we're very likely to head back down to this area here where the high volume node is and to possibly double bottom at 19,300, 19,350 area. So I'm looking at that closely for a move. I want to look at my 15-minute for a catalyst. It's attempting to push up. Again, we need another short squeeze to really get us above the zone. Bitcoin just does not want to be able to get above 20,000. So here's the deal. Can we break up? Bulls must take back 20,500 to remain bullish, no matter what big push we have on this 1 hour, no matter what happens. If we're unable to close a candle on the daily or the 4 hour above 20,500, I would expect more downside. It's just as simple as that. As Bitcoin goes sideways, this is good for altcoins. Altcoins will continue to pump, especially on weekend days when Bitcoin likes to go sideways. However, let's see what the 15-minute can do right now. I'm watching the 15-minute spark. Push up. Looks like it's likely to hit the top diagonal resistance again, come back down. At that point, can the 4 hour get some legs to the upside? And the 1 hour get some legs to the upside. 4 hours not looking good anymore. Actually curving to the downside after it already hit its top here. So that's also not a good sign. The 4 hour made a lower high, which to me, not the best sign. We'd have to short squeeze our way out of this to the upside. I'm still watching that 22 hour though, which is very, very bullish. And we already have some wicks to the downside. The 22 hour suggesting, as I've been saying, we get to the top of this pattern here. Here's the bigger pattern at play, in my humble opinion, right like this. This is the bigger pattern. If you take away this percentage, it's this top trend line, this bottom trend line, all right? But we have a lot of basically support and resistance that we're battling with right now on the smaller time frames. If we can't get above this 20,500, that big area and all the other big ideas will not occur. However, it's almost making a complex inverted head and shoulder. You have a shoulder here, you have a head. Will you make a right shoulder to the upside? Something that I'm looking at as well. So right now, I'm expecting the 15-minute to either short squeeze up or get a move back to the downside here. Let's take a look at the 7-minute. 7-minute and the 15 are both getting spent again, and you can't get above 20K. So more sideways action, it looks like, for the morning. And what I want to see is the 15-minute come back down and not lose this POC, and then the 1 hour kick into high gear and push to the upside. It didn't happen yesterday. Can it happen today? The measured move is just this little small flag here to the upside that would take Bitcoin to 20,500, right to resistance. Could we get above it is the question. Listen, I go live tonight for Bitcoin in the weekly candle close. I'll pick up where this left off. We'll talk about it. We'll go over it. If you're in my trading group, we're going to go over a bunch of altcoins and things that we went over last night and during the day that I post. Stay tuned for more. I'm live 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday through Friday, and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. I'll see you tonight at 8 p.m. Let's see how much you really care about crypto. Let's see if you're really a true crypto lifer. I'd like to see you there tonight, 8 p.m. Have a great morning, everyone. Be safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Trade well. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say and do should be taken as financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence before getting into any project, coin, or trade. And I'll see you tonight.